How to listen to music while playing Roblox. First of all, open your Roblox, Spotify and settings apps on your iOS device, whether that's iPhone or iPad. This will only work on there for this tutorial. Then you want to scroll down and type in shortcuts, or you can just go directly to the shortcuts app, open it up like so, then click the top right hand corner where you see the plus button. There you want to go ahead and type in the search actions bar, play pause. Then go ahead and click on that, then click done in the top right hand corner. Then it should be in the top left hand corner where you can click the actual play pause button. For me it's play pause 4 because I've done a multiple of them. Then that will start playing your music, you should be able to hear it. Then from there go to settings, then click on accessibility. Then scroll down there until you get to touch in the physical and monitor section. Then click AssistiveTouch at the top. Turn it on, then you want to click on the double tap section there, go ahead and click on that, and then you want to go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of there where you should see play pause 4, the same shortcut that you had before on your shortcuts app. Then there you'll be able to go back into Roblox. It should have restarted your game if you're on the Roblox app on your mobile device. Then you want to go ahead and load up the game. Right now, potentially you will not be able to hear the music once you open the Roblox app, play the game initially. But once you're on the app, you go ahead and double tap that circle. You can see there with the AssistiveTouch, double tap that. Then you should see that tick pop up at the top part of the screen. And then you'll be able to hear your music playing. So that's how it's done. Go ahead and follow those tips. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.